Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. This is Vibha in front of you. Today I am here the exercise of chapter 1, that is let us try first. In this you can see there are two questions in front of you. The question number 1 is, what is the Timsy's father reading? As you see in the picture, what was he reading? He was reading newspaper. So note down the answer. What he was reading? He was reading newspaper. When you saw the picture in the story, as I have taught you, so there was his father, and in his hand he has a newspaper and he was reading. So answer will be newspaper. So write down the question and after that the answer. Timsy's father reading newspaper. What is the second question? The question number 2 is, what is the penguin eating? Penguin क्या खा रही थी? When it reached to New Zealand, there was no snow, and he had to eat sand because there was no snow. And when penguin felt thirsty, it eats snow, but there was no snow in New Zealand. That's why it has to eat in sand. So what he was eating? He was eating sand. That's why he fell sick. इसकी वजह से वो बीमार पड़ गई थी. तो आंसर नंबर 2 is sand. SAND, sand. You have to write down. And first में आपको आंसर लिखना है newspaper. The answer number 1 is newspaper and the second is sand. So note the 2 of the question in your notebook and write down the answers. Here in front of you there is a second exercise, that is let us try 2. In front of you, match the following to complete the sentences. You have to match the following according to the story. You have seen it in the story, so you have to take it according to the chapter. Happy Feet lost its way. Happy Feet ने अपना रास्ता खो दिया था. What is the answer? The answer was that why he has lost his way? Because he has take a wrong turn. So find out where it is written. It is written in the second point. Because it took a wrong turn while swimming in the sea. So what is the answer? The answer number A is B. 1 number का आंसर क्या हुआ? B. The question number 2 is, Happy Feet started to eat sand. Happy Feet ने sand खाना क्यों शुरू कर दिया था? क्योंकि वो उसको प्यास लगी थी और there was no snow. So what will be the answer? Because there was no snow for it to eat when thirsty. Question number 2 का आंसर क्या हुआ? A. ठीक है, question number 2 आंसर नंबर A. What is the question number 3? Some people took Happy Feet. कुछ लोग उस Happy Feet को लेकर कहाँ गए? To an animal doctor. जिसका नाम क्या, जिसको क्या लिखा गया है चैप्टर में? Vet. WVET. Vet means the doctor who cures the animals. तो what is the answer? Answer D. The third number का आंसर क्या हुआ आपका? D. The question number 4. People named it Happy Feet. People ने, लोगों ने उसे Happy Feet नेम क्यों दिया था? Because आफ्टर द पेंगुइन इन द फिल्म कॉल्ड हैप्पी फीट, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर मैंने आपको बताया था एक मूवी बनी थी जिसका नेम था हैप्पी फीट. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? द आंसर नंबर सी. सो नोट डाउन दीज आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर बी, क्वेश्चन 2 आंसर ए, क्वेश्चन 3 डी and question number 4 answer is C. So note down these following these matching in your notebook and write down the correct answer in front of the each number of the question. As I have mentioned, you will don't match with the lines. You have to mention the correct option in front of the question number. Got it? You will note the answer in the second line or in front of the statement. No, don't match एनी टाइम विद द लाइन्स, क्रॉसिंग लाइन्स. जैसे आप ऐसे ऐसे मैच करते हो, ऐसे ऐसे, ये मैचिंग नहीं करनी. गॉट इट? इट इज़ द रॉन्ग वे. बिकॉज देयर मेक अ नेट, जाल बन जाता है जिससे क्लियरली आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता कि क्या करना है. गॉट इट? एंड द नेक्स्ट स्टेप गाइस, लेट अस ट्राई में आपकी जो नेक्स्ट स्टोरी है, क्वेश्चंस हैं, that are answer the following question. There are 2 questions in front of you. The question number 1 is, how did Happy Feet fall sick? Happy Feet कैसे बीमार पड़ा था? Happy Feet fell sick by ईटिंग सैंड, क्योंकि उसने सैंड खा ली थी, क्योंकि वहाँ पर उसको स्नो नहीं मिली थी एंड ही हैज़ टू ईट सैंड, दैट्स वाई ही फॉल सिक। क्लास यहाँ पर ध्यान रखिएगा, फॉल नहीं लिखना है आपको, इसकी सेकंड फॉर्म FELL लिखना है, फेल, क्योंकि यहाँ पर डिड जब लगा होता है तो हम इसकी सेकंड फॉर्म, आंसर में हम सेकंड फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं। तो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज, यू हैव टू रिटन हैप्पी फीट फेल सिक बाय ईटिंग सैंड। गॉट इट? And Timsy said she would make a get well soon card for Happy Feet. Why do you think she wanted to make the card? आपको क्यों लगता है कि वो क्यों बनाना चाहती थी? उसने कहा था कि मैं पेंगुइन के लिए हैप्पी गेट वेल सून कार्ड बनाऊंगी। Because she wanted, the answer is here, she wanted to send her good wishes फॉर पेंगुइन बाय हर कार्ड। वो अपने कार्ड्स के थ्रू पेंगुइन को अपनी गुड विशेस देना चाहती थी, ताकि वो जल्दी से, गेट वेल सून का मीन्स होता है जल्दी से ठीक हो जाओ, ताकि वो जल्दी से ठीक हो सके। हेयर आई हैव रिटन थ्रू द मार्कर ऑफ द नेट, so maybe there is a writing is not clear, but spellings are clearly written here. So note down these two questions in your notebook and write down the answers at your own. I hope you will get the answers very clearly. Note down 3 of the exercise in your notebook and complete the task in as I have told here. Thank you. Have a nice day.